Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach kinds of pronouns. As you have already studied about personal pronoun in my previous video, just I am going to start about relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun, the word that comes to show relation as a pronoun is called a relative pronoun. The word that comes, वह शब्द that comes जो आता है to show दिखाने के लिए relation संबंध as pronoun pronoun के रूप में is called relative pronoun. relative pronoun कहलाता है. एग्जाम्पल से हम समझते हैं. I met Hari. Hari had just returned. There are two sentences has been given here, but relative pronoun not used in the sentence. I ate relative pronoun. I met Hari who had just returned. In this sentence, who is a relative pronoun? Who is a relative pronoun because it used instead of a Hari noun. As you know, the definition of pronoun. Pronoun is used instead of noun, and in this sentence, who is also used instead of a noun Hari. So you can say that who is a relative pronoun. Second example, I have found a pen. I lost the pen. In this sentence, relative pronoun is not used. I used relative pronouns. I had found a pen which I lost. In this sentence, which is a relative pronoun, which is used instead of a noun, the pen. So you can say that which is a relative pronoun. It shows the relation. Third, demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun demonstrate the things or object near and far away. The word that demonstrate, the word वह शब्द that जो demonstrate मतलब होता है इशारा करना, indicate करना. About object उस वस्तु के बारे में, or things वस्तु के बारे में, which is near or far away जो निकट हो या दूर हो, उसी को जो है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन डेनोट्स करता है, इंडिकेट करता है. दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज आर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. दिस इज यूज्ड व्हेन एनीथिंग इज ओनली वन एंड नियर, सो यूज दिस. दैट when anything is only one and far away, then use that. Those, these when anything is more than one and far near, so use these. And those is also demonstrative pronoun. When anything is more than one and far away, then is those. This is a pen. It is demonstrative pronoun. Those demonstrative pronoun. That demonstrative, and these are also demonstrative pronoun. Next, possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, the word that indicates possession as pronoun. वह शब्द जो इंडिकेट करता हो संकेत करता हो पोसेशन की तरफ, पोसेशन अधिकार, राइट मतलब अधिकार, और कह सकते हो ऑनरशिप। पोसेशन में होता है ऑनरशिप। द वर्ड दैट इंडिकेट ऑनरशिप एज प्रोनाउन, वह शब्द जो ऑनरशिप को डिनोट करता हो एज प्रोनाउन इज कॉल्ड पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन। दिस पेन इज माइन, दिस पेन इज माइन, माइन इज पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन। I think that the bag is yours, yours is also possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun never used with noun, it comes alone. Reflexive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, what is reflexive pronoun? When self is added to any pronoun and makes a compound word used end of sentence or after verb and forced on verb is called a reflexive pronoun. Definition has been given here. When self is added to any pronoun, self word added जुड़ा हो any pronoun किसी भी pronoun के साथ and makes a compound word जो compound संयुक्त शब्द बनाता हो एंड यूज इंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस के लास्ट में यूज होता हो या आफ्टर वर्ब के बाद, कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन कहा जाता है। आई विल क्लीन दिस रूम माई सेल्फ, इन दिस सेंटेंस माई सेल्फ इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। दे विल डेकोरेट देयर आवर्स देमसेल्व्स, इट इज आल्सो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन। माई सेल्फ, देमसेल्फ रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, himself, herself, ourself, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun myself, themself, or himself, ourself used according to subject. When subject is I, reflexive pronoun use myself. When subject is they, then reflexive pronouns should be used themselves. When subject is he, reflexive pronoun should be used himself. Next, emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. What is emphatic pronoun? Emphatic pronouns when reflexive pronoun used after subject and force on the subject is called emphatic pronoun. Myself, himself, themself, ourself, herself used after subject in the sentence is called emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Pronoun when reflexive pronoun. Used after subject and forced on subject is called emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. As I myself, I myself read, I myself read. Here. Myself is an emphatic pronoun. It used after subject. It is subject. Myself used after subject and force on the subject. So you can say that myself is an emphatic pronoun. We, ourselves, go to school. Ourselves as an emphatic pronoun, it used after subject. I hope that you have understands about the kinds of pronouns. Thank you, my dear students.